Hi everyone, this is Hope and welcome back to the Web3 planet. As we all know, Hamster Combat is changing history in the crypto space, especially in the tap-to-earn games. So today I want to talk about another really popular tap-to-earn game called vcoin. The principle of this game is really similar to Hamster Combat, so I think this is another great chance to earn that passive income we all want. So let's dig in and learn everything about this tapping game, and also in the end of this video, I will tell you important information about this game Airdrop. So the vcoin game was released on Telegram around 2 months ago. And why do I think this tap-to-earn game has similar potential to Hamster Combat? Because within the pretty short period after the launch, vcoin managed to create this big community. We know that right now they have almost 30 million users. And if we check their social media, we can see that they have on the Telegram 5.6 million subscribers here. And on Twitter, they have also 1.5 million people following this project. But actually, I would like to quickly go back to their Discord and talk about really big contest they are announcing. So as we can see, win $15,000 and 550 million vcoins. Create vcoins content and complete for top prizes. Video, memes, artwork, threads. Share your vcoin related content on social media with the hashtag vcoin and vcoin contest and complete for an incredible prizes. So as we can see, prizes are super big. First place got $3,000 plus million vcoins. Second place gets $2,000 plus 50 million coins. Even the third place is also really nice. You get $1,000 plus 20 million coins. Winners can choose their prize, currency, Ton, Sol, or Ethereum. And actually there's a guide how to participate, so I definitely recommend you to read it, and starts right now and ends on July 7th. So we have still 5 days to participate in this amazing competition. And overall, I see really big potential here because this game has fewer users compared to Hamster Combat, and it means that you can actually get a bigger piece of the passive income for yourself. So let's check right now how everything looks inside the game. First thing first, you see the tapping coin. Right now, without any boost, everyone has 1,000 taps. As you can see, I have some balance here, but actually I started to play this game just a few days ago. And I will explain you right now how you can collect loads of coin just by doing simple tasks. Yeah, so first of all, let's click this button Mates. So here is the referral program. Bring a friend and earn. Each new friend nets you 2,500 vcoins, 30,000 vcoins with star premium, plus 1% of their rewards. So as you can see, I right now have just one friend, but I just started to play this game like 2 days ago, so I definitely believe that there will be more friends really soon. And actually, if you don't have this game on your phone right now, use my referral code in the description and start playing now. And also what you are getting for this referrals, level 1 invite 10 mates, and you will get 100,000 vcoins to your account. So you just need 10 friends. When you have it, claim it, and then you will get your tokens. So let's go back and we can see this tab tasks. So actually I completed just several tasks, but as you can see, I have quite a big balance right now. So yeah, these tasks are really simple to complete. For example, for social media, join their Telegram community and earn 20,000 vcoin, join their X community, 10,000 coins, join Toins or Voice. So basically just completing these games, or for example, playing Web3 games, also tapping similar games, you can earn your tokens. So I think it's super easy to do. Actually, I think it's even easier comparing to Hamster Combat. I definitely recommend you to complete all these tasks and collect all the points you can. Okay, let's go back and we have this staking section. So vcoin 20% ARR. So let's actually check how staking works. Benefits of staking: earning additional rewards on top of your existing holdings. How to stake: choose your staking duration. So we have 3-day stake, earn 2% rewards, 7-day stake, you earn 7% rewards, and 14-day stake, you earn 20% rewards. So again, guys, it's really nice that they added this feature because it will help you earn even more tokens. And lastly, we have boost. So as we all know, if you play Hamster Combat, there is several boosts you can use. So for example, in this game, we have full battery, lucky dice, and we have several boosters like tap, maximizer, charge, V-worker, and multiplayer. So I definitely suggest you completing the task and buy these boosters to help grow your account even faster. And then we have vSyncs. So we have Ton, I already own it, Ethereum, also Solana, and then we have vcoin Retro, vcoin Default, Shuriken, Catizen, and Dot. So actually we can buy these also. So yeah, guys, I think the vcoin game is really similar to Hamster Combat. As I said, this game is still pretty new. There are fewer players, so you have a great chance to earn amazing profit for yourself. Also, let's not forget Airdrop. This game is still voting on which blockchain to launch the official vcoin token. The vote is still live and happening right now, but I know that Ton is currently leading with 81% of the votes. The chain is becoming closely linked with Telegram, which makes sense because of its beginnings, so results aren't surprising. Players will probably have to wait for Airdrop until the vote is over. There's no official information about the time or date of the Airdrop, so keep an eye on the vcoin community channels for the updates. So yeah, guys, check out all the links in the description below to explore further. And remember to hit that subscribe button for more exciting crypto content and join my free Telegram group. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.